Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 10th question in exercise 10.2. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. So let's first draw a diagram so that we will be able to prove it easily. I'm drawing a circle, and from an external point P, I'm going to draw two tangents, the point of contact being A and B. The center of the circle is going to be O, so I'm dropping the radius from O to A and from O to B. Now, they're asking us to prove that the angle subtended by the two tangents is complementary to the angle formed by the radius at the points of contact. So now let's list out what is given to us so that we will be able to prove it. So given it is center with circle, center of circle is going to be O, and we have tangents PA and PB drawn from P. Now what we need to prove is actually going to be angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. This is what we need to prove. So first let's take up the tangent. So PA is a tangent. This means let's write out the proof. So PA is a tangent. Therefore, PA is actually perpendicular to OA. Similarly, PB is tangent. So this implies that PB will be perpendicular to OB. So in each of these cases, I can actually say angle OAP will be equal to 90 degree in this case, and in this case, angle OBP is equal to 90 degrees. Now let's take up the quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral, APBO. I'm taking it in this order, APBO. Angle OAP plus angle APB plus angle PBO plus angle AOB will be equal to 360 degrees. Why 360 degrees? Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. We know that OAP is 90 degree and similarly OBP is also 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 plus angle ABP plus angle AOB will be equal to 360 degrees. So if you actually rearrange this particular equation, we are going to get that angle APB plus angle AOB will be equal to 360 degrees minus the 290 degrees. So this is going to be equal to 180 degrees. So that is what they asked us to prove. So hence proved. So sum of these two angles will always be supplementary, and that is what we successfully proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 11th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.